broken TV screen tutorial. How do you set it up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your TV screen to make it look like it's broken, so you can pull the prank to anybody who you like to prank with your broken TV screen. So let's begin. First thing we do is we go to Google. Let's begin. First things first, go to Google and then type broken TV screen effect and then search here, check for wallpaper and then try this one. Yeah, that's good enough. Save image and make sure you save it to a USB. So let's name it as let's name it as broken TV screen prank. Broken TV screen prank. Save it, and there you. Let's check our USB if it's there. Let's go to the USB. Broken TV screen. There you go. That's our broken TV screen. Yeah. Then remove it. And now we go plug our USB to the TV. Let's plug our USB to the TV and let's set it up there. So now let's make our TV screen look broken. So first we gotta turn on the TV. Yes, it's on. Now I can plug the USB. Let's go plug this USB behind. There you go. It's plugged. Now it shows that we have plugged a USB. Then we can open that one. It's reading. Reading. Now we can go. There you go. Just double click on it and there you go. Just click on it again and then the thing will disappear, and hide this thing somewhere at the bottom until it will disappear as well. And there goes our broken TV screen. So now you can proceed with pranking someone about your TV being broken. I hope it's helpful, and let me know if you didn't manage to follow it. I will still write in the description below the step-by-step procedure on how to do it. Please like and subscribe.